BTS comeback sends HYBE stock to four-year high. BTS World Tour generates record audience projections, significant earnings revisions, and renewed investor confidence in HYBE's long-term growth path. HYBE shares surged to a four-year high, adding almost 1 trillion Korean wons in market value due to BTS comeback. Analysts up tour and earnings projections, driving up target prices on the back of a record-breaking global tour. HYBE also intends to turn its Weverse platform into a profitable entity. HYBE stock is once again soaring on the momentum of BTS. The South Korean entertainment giant shares have risen to an all-time high in the past 4 years. The massive BTS World Tour announcement has also led South Korea's major financial firms to raise their projections for HYBE. The entire positive outlook towards the company also has investors looking past the near-term profit weakness and focus on the sharp rebound in 2026 and beyond. HYBE shares soared as much as 9.5% in recent sessions and closed the day up by 8.92%, reaching their highest markup since late 2021. The rise also boosted the company's market valuation by more than 1 trillion Korean wons, $677 million. The stock prices concluded at 338,500 Korean wons on Friday, January 16, 2026, up by 2.27% on the day and bringing its one-month gain to a bit more than 13%, noted the Korea Exchange. Retail and overseas investors purchased 38.8 billion Korean wons and 11.1 billion Korean won shares, respectively, during that time period. The driving force behind this market rally is BTS comeback. After the end of mandatory military duty, the seven-member group is set to release their fifth studio album on March 20th. It will also lead to the group embarking on K-pop's greatest international year-long tour ever. The Live Nation-promoted tour will kick off on April 9th with 3 gigs at Goyang Stadium in Seoul, before expanding to venues across various countries. The initial schedule contains 79 concerts, with additional dates in Japan and the Middle East, which are yet to be revealed. Analysts lift crowd estimates, earnings as BTS nears their comeback. Attendance estimates for BTS concerts have also been raised significantly higher. Analysts now predict total crowds of over 4.5 M this year, with an average attendance of about 65,000 per event, greatly exceeding earlier estimates of 3.0 M to 3.5 M across 65 concerts. Higher margin regions will play an important role, with North America and Europe accounting for 44% of the concerts, which have inherently higher ticket prices. Reportedly, financial firms like Kiwoom Securities boosted its estimate share price of HYBE to 450,000 Korean wons since BTS revealed their comeback dates. Other companies like LS Securities, Yuanta, and IBK have also significantly increased their projections for HYBE to 430,000 Korean wons to 420,000 Korean wons respectively. Nomura too upgraded HYBE target prices to 410,000 Korean wons, noting that the BTS tour could be larger than expected. The earnings impact is projected to be additionally significant. F&Guy predicted HYBE sales would increase 46.9% year-on-year to Korean won 3.87 T, with operating profit rising 555.7% to 480 billion Korean wons, reversing the earnings slump caused by the BTS hiatus. According to reports at the time, the company saw the operational profit plummeting 37.5% in FY 2024. HYBE has also started cashing in, announcing plans to sell 5.16 billion Korean wons, $3.5 million USD, in shares after the market spike. However, the comeback comes at a time when HYBE changed business patterns. During BTS absence, HYBE expanded into the United States, Latin America, Africa, and India, introducing new global acts and scaling its Weverse platform. According to CEO Jason Jae-sing Lee, the goal for the company now is to turn those investments into profits, with BTS serving as a catalyst rather than a crutch.